You're watching How to Solve with TLS Berry. We all know this moment. You look amazing in the mirror. Then the photo says nope! Here's the first reason. Your mirror shows a flipped version of your face. Your brain gets used to it. So when a camera shows the real version, you feel off. See? Even tiny differences like your eyebrow shape can change how balanced your face looks.
The mirror always has the perfect light because you move until it flatters you. But a camera freezes whatever angle it sees.
Good light can turn you from zombie to angel in 1 second. When you look in the mirror, you see yourself move. Your brain filters out weird expressions, but photos are frozen. Every blink, every awkward smile stays forever. So next time your photo looks weird, don't panic. It's just your brain missing the mirrored version. Fix your light, find your angle, and smile again. Did this solve your mirror mystery? Comment below if you've ever said, "That's not what I look like." Then the photo says, "No!"